Today I will share with you how I make my smoothie, my green smoothie. Yes, I put one fruit in it, the banana, but I don't put any other fruits in it. I like it better to be more greens than fruits. So the way I do it is I use water, but I use spring water. So what there is to know about water, if it's water from the tap and it's been whatever done to it, it's demineralized. And so it doesn't have the minerals. So when it gets in your body, it doesn't give you minerals, but it might leach minerals. So, it might leach minerals. So something to be aware of. Whereas in spring water, you have the minerals in the water, of course. And then I use the banana, fiber, vitamin C, B6, potassium, and magnesium. And then I use spinach. Or greens. You can do kale. I like the dark kale, the 𝘆liche kale or the dinosaur kale. If you use the Russian kale, you're going to have like a brownish smoothie. You can do that as well. But you can use greens. And the darker the greens, the more polyphenol and the more phytonutrients in it. So fiber reduce inflammation and bloating and aid digestion. And then celery. So when you use the celery, what happens with celery is if you use more the inside part, that is a lighter color, it will have less of a bitter taste. When you use the other part, which is a darker color, has more of a bitter taste. Now the other thing is, when you buy your celery, if the celery is old and kind of yellow, that's really bitter. That's awful. Don't do that. And if it's very young, it's going to be bitter as well, but it's nicer. And so the celery is alkalinizing, it aids digestion, it reduces inflammation, and it has antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. So it's all excellent. The next thing I use is avocados. So avocados, you see that part here where it's attached to the tree? If you push, you see how it goes, my thumb went in and that part of the stem went in as well? That means they're ready. It's not so much, doing this on the outside. It's really this part here. So that's when it's ready. When they are ready, if you put them in your fridge, it will stop the ripening. So that's something to know. Then so the avocado aid for digestion, detoxification, vision, depression, and health. Next thing I use is cilantro or parsley. Today I have parsley. Parsley is antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C. I use lemon juice, but I do my own. I press my own. The one you get in the store, in those funky plasticky yellow thing, don't do that. In a bottle, it's pasteurized, and it has like a metallic taste to me. I don't like it, so I do press it myself. Lemon juice is weight loss and antioxidant and vitamin C. The other thing that I use is the chia seeds. Chia seeds is digestion, weight, inflammation, helps with inflammation, blood pressure, and depression. The other thing that I use also is ginger, just fresh ginger, and then I grate it. I have a microplane, and I grate it with that, like very finely grate like this. You won't have anything left in the juice. You won't have any peel, maybe getting stuck in your teeth. And then the last but not the least, I use 𝘀𝘂𝗋 powder or 𝘀𝘂𝗋 gel. And why is that? Because in the 𝘀𝘂𝗋 powder, you have 92 of the 102 minerals that we need in our body. So there it is. That's what I use in my smoothie. And next step will be to teach you how to make the smoothie. Hello, bonjour. Now I will show you how to make the smoothie. It's super fast. Let's start. So we add 250 grams of water. Oh, 250, not 150. There you go. 250 grams of water. And then we add 100 grams of spinach. There we go, 100 grams of spinach. And then, let's put it this side. And then we add our banana. Whoopsies. And as I said, when the banana is organic, even though it has the brown spot on the peel, it's totally white inside. 140 grams of banana. There we go, 140 grams. I do it precisely like this because I know the smoothie is going to be perfect texture. That's why I use the scale. Then I use 60 grams of celery. So I'm at 490, so it's 550. There we are. And then I use 40 grams of avocado. And it's easier to cut this way. You just go around. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous avocado. I love this. And then, if you start where it was attached to the plant, you start at that end, usually it comes out. So 550 plus 40 is 590. And here we are. And then the next step, we add the parsley, which is 10 grams of parsley. And I'm at 600. Excellent. Then I add 20 grams of lemon juice. 620. Add 6 grams of chia seeds. It will be in the liquid, so it will start to activate. And so the ginger, you use the microplane, as I said earlier. And then I just clean the ginger, brush it, clean it. Be careful of your fingers. I need 4 grams of ginger. And then my magical ingredient with all the minerals. There's a little spoon inside. I'm an adult. I'm going to take 2 of these, and we blend. Et voilà. Look at this. Beautiful, perfect texture smoothie. And that's why I use grams. I don't have to do it again. I know it's going to be delicious. Bon appétit. Love food that loves you back. And in this case, the answer is in your glass. Now we'll teach you how you can make your kit to prepare for your green smoothies. So the only thing that we won't put in the kit is the greens, because they take too much room, as you saw when you did when we did the smoothie, right? So you put your dish on your scale, just like this, and then you'll wait for your water as well. You don't have to put your water in, but we can put all the other ingredients. So we need 140 grams of bananas. And then after that, that kit, you can keep it in your freezer or in your fridge. So it's always ready for you to do your smoothies. If you keep it in your freezer, then what you would do is cut your bananas to be a bit smaller because they'll be frozen. Your smoothie is going to be cold as well. So that's something for you to consider as well. But you can take it out of the freezer and then it thaws overnight, right? So, but you have it ready. So when you're ready to do your smoothie, you just take your kit into the blender, add the water, the greens, and you're done. So 140 grams of banana. Then we don't do this. Oh, and I'm just going to see what it is. Oh, yeah, it's the buzzer. Please come in. Deliveries, you know. So I was saying that we won't put the kale, but we can put the celery. So we need 60 grams. So 140, I need 60 grams of celery. So that brings me to 200. There we go. Same thing, just cut it up so it's ready. And there we are. Got my scraper here. I should take that. The next thing is the avocado, and what it is with the avocado, and it's 40 grams of avocado. So that brings me to 240. What it is with the avocado is when you cut it, you know that you have to eat it. And so why not keep going with your smoothies, especially if you put it in the freezer? Well, there you go. It stops the oxidation. So that way you use the avocado, you won't lose it. So 240 grams of avocado. There we are. And the next thing we need to put is the parsley, which is 10 grams. Perfect. And then the next thing is the lemon juice, which is 20 grams. That too I would wait, because if you freeze it, of course it's going to be at the bottom of your dish. So wait for the juice. Don't put the juice right away. And then, but you can put your chia, because it's just going to be on top of that. So that's perfect. So 6 grams of chia. Whoopsies. There we go. And then the other thing that we need to put in is the fresh ginger. So same thing again, why not? I mean, here you are, grating your ginger, so may as well grate all of it. And then you're done, and you wash your grater, your microplane, you just wash it once, right? So let's just be careful for your fingers, of course, when you do that. It's a very sharp tool. There we go. Let's see what I've got. And I need to add 4 grams. So by doing your kit like this, you really save a lot of time. You just do it all at once. And my magic ingredient, of course. There we go. And you have it. So all you need to do next time is just to put the water, put the greens, put the kit in, and then push the button, and you have your smoothie. Love food that loves you back. Food like that.